9th of May 2020. We'll be reciting from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 4, Text 28. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye. Nashpraeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtuki. Rajovacha Nidanam Upagati Subrishna Bhujeshu Adiratha Yuthapapesu Mukhyaha Sahatu Katham Avishta Buddhavoya Darityajya Akritim Trayadhishaha. Rajovacha Nidanam Upagati Subrishna Bhujeshu Adhiratha Yuthapapesu Mukhyaha Satu Katham Avishta Buddhavoya Darityajya Akritim Trayadhishaha. Rajovacha Nidanam Upagati Vishnu Bhujeshu Adiratha Yuthapapesu Mukhyaha Sahatum Katham Avishta Buddhavoya Darityajya Akritim Trayadhishaha. Synonym. Rajovacha. The king inquired, Nidhanam, destruction, Upagateshu, having overtaken, Brishni, of the Brishni dynasty, Bhojeshu, the Bhoja dynasty, Adhiratha, great commander, Yuthapa, commander-in-chief, Yuthapeshu, amongst them, Mukhyaha, prominent, Saha, he, tu, only, Katham, how, Avishtisaha, remain, Uddhava, yat, whereas, Harihi, the personality of Godhead, Api, also, Tyajet, finished, Akritim, complete pastime, Triadishaha, the Lord of the three worlds. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Jai Srila Prabhupada. The king inquired, at the end of the pastimes of the Lord of the three worlds, Sri Krishna, and after the disappearance of the members of the Vrishni and Bhoja dynasties, who were the best of the great commanders, why did Uddhava alone remain? Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshmanitamyenam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Sri Chaitanya Mano Vaishnavastapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Supatantikam Bandeham Sri Guru Shitapadakampalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidatam Sajivam Sadhvaitam Savadutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitam Cha. हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेशा गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वांक्षाकल्पतरो वैश्य कृपा सिंधुभये बच्च पतितानाम पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. So welcome you all, those who have joined me through the internet, sitting in their own home in front of the DT maybe, and trying to listen to Srimad Bhagavatam, which is the very means of conquest. So Parikshit was informed by Sukadeva Goswami that after conversation between Uddhava and Vidura.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू प्रभु जी, आपकी आवाज बहुत हल्की आ रही है, सुनाई नहीं दे पा रहा है हम लोगों को ठीक से। हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, इफ आई मे एक्सटेंड द रिक्वेस्ट प्लीज, आपका वीडियो भी देखना चाहेंगे, जैसे आपने वीडियो ऑन करते थे 5-10 मिनट के लिए वीडियो ऑन कर दीजिए। हरे कृष्णा।
I don't know what could be the reason. Let me check.
प्लीज फिर से बिगिनिंग कर।
Can I be heard now? No?
नहीं सुनाई दे रहा।
यस प्रभु जी।
Now okay?
यस प्रभु जी।
मंगलाचरण में सुनाई नहीं तो फिर से शुरू कर, पूछ ले।
Okay, so let me. So I was saying, the Parikshit Maharaj was informed by Sukadeva Goswami that as soon as the conversation between Uddhava and Vidura was finished, Uddhava guided Vidura to go and seek a shelter at Maitreya's lotus feet, and then he left for Badrikashram. Hearing this, Parikshit Maharaj was very attentively listening. As you say, Sunahu tat katha man lai. We have to try to assimilate and hear every word of Srimad Bhagavatam from the speaker. Then only it can bring some joy, some transcendental meaning. So immediately, Parikshit Maharaj said, my dear sir, my dear Guru, O best of the Brahmanas, when all the Vishnus and Andakas were gone, Bhojas were gone, all Adhirathas were gone, how did Uddhava left behind? And so many of you had asked the question earlier. So on your behalf again, Parikshit Maharaj putting a question, that why and how. So Prabhupada says in his commentary, he says according to Sri Jiva Goswami, Nidanam means the transcendental abode of the Lord. Ni means the highest, and Dhanam means opulence. And because the abode of the Lord is the highest manifestation of the transcendental opulence, his abode can therefore be called Nidanam. Apart from grammatical elucidation, the real purpose of the word Nidanam is to indicate that all the members of the Vishnu and Bhoja dynasties were direct associate of the Lord, and after the end of his pastime, all the associates were dispatched to their respective position in the transcendental abode. Here is the beauty. The choices are given. Uddhava also was given a choice to stay back and to carry the order of Lord Sri Krishna to Badrika Ashram, to Narayan Rishi and so many rishis over there. He accepted. He also had a choice. In every one of our life we get a choice. And whatever choice that we make, we have to ready to face the consequences. Whatever result comes from the choice, we have to do a lot of compromises. So we make one choice with the result, fully or partially, we have to compromise. We have to make another choice, do a choice again, give the partial or full results. We have to compromise. This compromise, whether it's good or bad, happiness or distress, we have to accept it. And this way, the choices and the compromises, choices and compromises, choices and compromises, choices and compromises, at every minute, every second, every day, we are making some thousands of choices. And believe me, thousands of times that we have to compromise. You suppose I want to smoke a cigarette. This is my choice. Now I have to face the consequences of liver damage, so many other problems. Again, I have to make a choice, go to the doctor, take medicine. That medicine reaction, I made a choice, I have to compromise. And I have to, again, do the same thing again. So making choices and facing consequences, making compromises, goes on and on and on and on. See, Prabhupada also made a choice. And the choice was formed. And we also make the choice. At least we have a choice that 7:30 every day we'll meet. This is a choice. And result of that is, every one of us sharing jnana, the knowledge about Krishna, about bhakti. And then, what we have to compromise, wait for the next day to come. Again, we make the choice, we hear it. What is the compromise you have to take? Wait for another 24 hours to come. So this way, Vidura went to meet Maitreya, and Uddhava set for his pilgrimage. And believe me, that was not the last pilgrimage. He came back to Vrindavan then. And he again talked to the gopis. That's a different story. We don't get into it. So choices. Now, how do I know that I have to make a good choice? So the best choice is not to make any choice. Be always guided by. Every time we have to guide it by sadhu, guru and shastra. If we don't, then compromises and consequences will go on and on. As you say the Hindi couplet, पुरुष नहीं समय होत बलवान, पुरुष नहीं समय होत बलवान, अर्जुन को लूटा भीलों ने वही धनुष और वही बाण. In our Sanatana Dharma, we are asked to find an auspicious moment to do anything good. Auspicious moment. And there are very few moments, auspicious moments in the day or in a month. Now what can we do? Can we wait for so long? Choices have to be made there and then. Therefore, simply being guided by the Vaishnavas. See, Vidura did not protest. No, I ask you a question. You reply to me. Isn't it? You could ask, what is this? You spend so much time on asking question and you are running away. That's not good. But no, etiquettes. We have to be guided by. Every moment we should be guided by. Sadhu Guru, Shastra, Chaitya Guru, so many things are there. Otherwise, your choices, your compromises will have to be made every now and then. So Vidura had a right choice. Uddhava had the right choice. And here Maharaja Parikshit has the right choice. He said, why only Uddhava? There are so many great commander-in-chief in Yadu and Bhoja and Andhaka dynasty. Why only chosen he? Now the doubt will be dispelled by the greatest Brahma Rishi. That is Sukadeva Goswami. Prabhupada further says about Nidhanam. Srila Vishwanatha Chakravarti Thakur elucidate the meaning of akritim as pastime. A means complete and kriti means transcendental pastime. Since the Lord is identical with his transcendental body, there is no question of his changing or quitting his body, which is very, very difficult to accept even after having so many years of experience. Theoretically, yes, but practically I'm talking about. Prabhupada further says, to act in accordance with the rules and the customs of the material world, the Lord seems to take his birth or leave his body, but the pure devotees of the Lord know well the actual fact. Janma karma chame divyam, Lord says. It is necessary, therefore, for the serious students of Srimad Bhagavatam to follow the notes and the comments of the great acharyas like Jiva Goswami and Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. We should try to assimilate, go for self-realization. And the best realization is if you accept the realization of the previous acharyas. Mahajano gatena saha panthaha. We taught about. Prabhupada says, to others who are not devotee of the Lord, the comments and explanation of such acharyas may appear to be grammatical jugglery. But to the students who are in the line of disciplic succession, the explanation of the great acharyas are quite fit. Like initially, a child accepts whatever mother and father says. Just accept. What to eat, what not to eat, when to sleep, when to get up, what to wear, where to go. He has just given up. And that's why he's happy. Children are happy because they are not looking for happiness. We are unhappy because we are trying to look for the happiness. See, this what a subtle difference. If you look for it, you may not get it. As you say, पंडित फिरे भिखारी, मूर्ख मूर्ख राज करत हैं, पंडित फिरे भिखारी, वाई कर्मण की गति न्यारी, कर्मण की गति न्यारी. Whatever we are today in our present form is a combination of many past deeds. Some are in the many past lives, some are the recent one. We are either suffering or enjoying. And in both the way, it is only to do with the body, with the subtle body. So as I was explaining yesterday, we can change, we can train the subtle body to remain ever happy in this life. And ever happy means nothing belongs to me. And if nothing belongs to me, if I lose it, I haven't lost anything. So therefore, let us try to shape our subtle body, our mind, intelligence and ego. And that's what Lord Sri Krishna has said. Mai arpita manaha buddhihi. Believe me or not, it doesn't cost anything. His own thing we are offering back to him. Prabhupada further say the word upagatesu is also significant. All the members of the Vaishnav Bhoja directly reached the abode of the Lord. Other devotees do not reach the abode of the Lord directly, but the pure associate of the Lord have no attraction for the opulence of any planets of the material world. Sometimes, due to inquisitiveness, devotees who are to be promoted to the abode of the Lord have some attraction for the opulence of the higher material planets above the earth. And thus, they desire to see them while going up to the perfection. See, the desire is the one that can bind or that can elevate. Generally we say, mana eva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. So this is a desire. And desires are dhyayati visayan pumsaha, sangatsu supajayati, sangat sanjayate kama, kamat krodho vibhijayate. Krodhat bhavati sammoha, sammoha smriti vibhrama, smriti bhransat buddhinaso, buddhinasat pranashyati. So, some of the devotees, they like to see. We say, sometimes we say, let's go to picnic here, let's go to picnic over there. Let us do this, let us do that. What is actually, we are passing the time. If not invested in the inquiry of the self, or Krishna Katha, then we are simply passing the time. Prabhupada further says, and thus they desire to see them while going up to the perfection, but the Brajavasis and Bhojas were directly dispatched because they had no attraction for material opulence. Srila Vishwanatha Chakrabarti Thakur also suggests that, according to the Amara Kosha dictionary, Akriti also means signal. Lord Krishna ordered Uddhava by signal to go to Badrika Ashram. He was chosen. He was appointed. He was selected. Lord Krishna ordered Uddhava by signal to go to Badrika Ashram after his departure, and Uddhava, as a pure devotee of the Lord, carried out the order more faithfully than going back to the Godhead or the abode of the Lord. That was cause of remembering alone even after departure of the Lord from the face of the world. At that end, the translation purport of Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 4, Text 28, by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Here, generally, for a devotee, doesn't matter where is he, even in the Patala, Sutala, Tala Atala Vitala Sutala Tala Tala Mahatala Rasatala Patala, or Bhuvu Swaha, Mahar Tapajana Satyaloka, doesn't really matter. So long he is associating, doing the bhakti, chanting the name and remembering him, he always dwells in the realm of Goloka. Sometime pratyaksha with Krishna, sometime apratyaksha with Krishna. But the pure devotees of the Lord, they can always see Krishna with them. They never feel alone. They always know, I am being guided by whatever I am doing. Personally, I have no capacity. What capacity I may have? I am being protected. I am being guided. And I am being instructed by Krishna at every step. And if then that is the case, then you are not making any choice. You are only executing the order. You are only executing the will. And once you do on somebody's behalf, the gain or loss, the happiness or distress, you don't share it. Because you don't owe it. Let us say, if a driver is working for a big boss and he is a Mercedes Benz and he hits the car. Now, do you think who will have more sorrow, who will have more anxiety, the driver or the owner? Driver can simply say, take your key. If you think I'm not a good driver, I'm going away, walking away. But the master will feel very bad. Because you are doing on their behalf. But let us say if the same car belongs to the same driver, he'll create a hue and cry. He'll go for the insurance company. If the damage is of maybe 1 rupee, he'll claim the damage of thousands of rupees. I remember one nice story. How we behave in life. We have a set agenda. Once upon a time, there was a kanjus very miser person. He wouldn't give anything. Only store. So, his wife told him, my dear sir, you don't give anything to anybody. How your life will be purified? He said, oh, I can go to the Ganges, take the dip into it, drop all my sins and come out clean. So she said, but see, this is a very good idea, but you have not been to the Ganges for months together, because the Ganges is 12 kilometers from here, and in order to save money, you will not hire a rickshaw, and that's why you will not go. He said, what are you talking? I'll go today. So what happens? With that great enthusiasm, he wanted to take the dip in the Ganges. He came out of the house. He looked for the conveyance, and they are asking 40 rupees. He said, my God, 40 rupees to go there. You nonsense. I'm so young, energetic, I'll walk. So he walked 12 kilometers of the Ganges. Now when he went to the Ghat, in that Ghat he was thinking, oh my God, if I take a dip, so many pujaris will come and they'll ask me money. So what to do? Better not to go to the Ghat. So what to do? Go to cremated ground. If I take bath in Ganges, nobody will come over there. No Panda will come over there. So with great enthusiasm, feeling ecstatic, he removes his clothes, take the dip in that site of the crematorium ground, the bank of the river, and when he has dipped down, when he come out, in the meantime Krishna thought, my God, this man must make some donation. So Lord played the trick. When he was dipping down, Krishna picked him up. He said, Jajman ki jai, hamari dakshina do. And this man said, how come you are here? I've never invited you. But he said, now you have taken the dip. You must give something. He said, okay, don't worry, Pandit ji, I give you 1 rupee. And Lord was surprised. My God, he is giving me 1 rupee. What happened? What a change of thought. Because he had taken the dip in the Ganges, his heart had changed. He said, okay, Jajmanji, give me 1 rupee. His fellow said, I don't have now. When I have, I'll give you. He said, but you must give. He said, yeah, I'll give. I don't have now. So when I have, I'll give it to you. So the Lord, in the disguised form of a panda, he took his house address, and this man went. He said, oh my God, now I saved 1 rupee, and I have dropped all my papas in the Ganges, and I have saved 1 rupee. What a luck. He went home, of course walking. So it was a 24-kilometer walk a day. As soon as he went home, he went faster asleep. As soon as he went in deep sleep, there is a knock on the door. His wife comes out. And he saw that panda. Well, what happened? Well, this man has to give me 1 rupee. He said he doesn't have, so I came over to collect. So he goes inside. She goes inside asking, hey, wake up, man, there's a panda. You owe him 1 rupee. He said, huh? He has come over here. Tell him I'm died. I'm died. So she comes out. He says, oh, my dear sir, you know what? My husband just died. He just died. And he felt very bad. He said, oh my God, you are all alone at home. Now, in order to take him to the crematorium ground, I need the people. He started killing the people. Hey, come here. Oh, come here. This man is died. This man is died. And so many people came. Now this man is hearing inside, and so many people are saying, okay, now let us tie him up. Let him take the crematorium ground and cremate him. What to do now? He say, the will of the God, if the people died. Now what happened? He was breathless when they are binding him. They bound him. Ram Naam Satya Hai, Sabki Hi Gatya Hai. They take the procession And Brahman is saying, "Are he's not dead, he's joking. And everybody is saying, you love him. This is called attachment, this is called illusion. For a dead person, you are saying alive? No, a dead person cannot become alive. She says, I swear God, he's alive. They push her out. No, you cannot come out. And she's crying, not crying because he died, because he's alive and they're going to burn him. Finally, he was taken to the crematorium ground. He was set on the pyre of the wood, and they are about to lit the fire. So this Panda said to all the judgment, can I speak few words in his ear? They say, yes. And he goes inside. He say, oh, Pandit ji, sir, you are about to be cremated now. I am God, and I can fulfill everyone's desire. He opened his eyes. You are God? You can fulfill my desire? He said, yes. But please, don't claim your 1 rupee from me. Please. And he got up. People ran away from there. So see what he's asking from God? To release him from that 1 rupee debt. We are that kind of people. Even the God comes over here, what will say? Janam dehi, dhanam dehi, balam dehi, buddhi dehi. Nobody will ask, give me unconditional loving service until lotus feet. So my dear devotees, this story says what we are. Even the God comes, what we are going to ask him? Material boons, material benefits. Because that's what we have been trained. That's what only we know. Nothing more than that. So thank you very much. Hare Krishna.